Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Bowling Green, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located just off I-75 and less than 2 miles from Bowling Green State University, this Holiday Inn features an indoor pool. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. Rooms at the Holiday Inn Express Hotel and Suites Bowling Green are decorated in dark wood furniture and equipped with a flat-screen cable TV. An in-room coffee maker and ironing facilities are included. A hot breakfast buffet including cinnamon rolls, yogurt and eggs is served each morning in the Bowling Green Holiday Inn Express breakfast area. Guests are welcome to work out in the on-site fitness center. The business center provides an on-site computer, fax and copy services. The Holiday Inn Express Bowling Green is less than 2 miles from Snook's Dream Cars Auto Museum and 3 miles from City Park. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.